So right now I'm going to show you how to create a new order from your 31 mobile app. You will go to, if it's part of a party, you'll go into your party and you'll go to orders, select this plus sign up here at the right hand corner, hit other, and if it's shipping to the hostess, just put their first and last name and you can get their email if you want to, or you can use your email and their phone number. Actually, if it's just shipping to the hostess, you can do their first and last name. I would advise getting their email though, so then that way they get alerts to their 31 website. You'll click save, and then you'll enter your items. And I'm just going to grab something super quick. And you'll do your color or your print choice. And you can personalize it here. And so this is where you would choose your personalization. Okay, I don't know why this is taking forever. And then you'll save and add to cart. Select done. And then this is where your total will be. You always want to ask them to round up to the nearest dollar. Payments, you'll click the plus sign again. You will do new guest credit card, and then you will enter all of their information here, and you'll click add payment. And then once you're done, you'll hit save order, and then it'll appear right here, and then it'll give you everything. So that is how you enter an order from your mobile app.